Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to grade 6 science unit number 1 cellular organization. This is video lesson number 3. Okay, in previous lesson we have discussed about cells and the types of organisms. In this lesson we will discuss about what is microscope, what is inside a cell, what are organelles and different organelles of a cell. Okay class, now move on to our topic, that is microscope. As we all know that some cells are so tiny that we cannot see them with naked eye. So how can we observe such cells or tiny creatures? So we use an instrument that magnifies things, which is called microscope. Basically microscope is used to see things very clearly. Like a point of a pencil would hold thousands of the cells. So we cannot see them with naked eye. That's why we use microscope to see such tiny creatures. Okay, now we will understand how to use a microscope. Okay class, look at the picture in the slide. You can see a label as coarse focus. Coarse focus is basically a rotator that is used to bring the lens down as close as possible to the specimen without touching it. Specimen is that sample we are observing in the slide on the microscope. Okay, next thing is eyepiece. You can see clearly in the picture the upper part, that is a tube like, which is called eyepiece. We used to look through the eyepiece and use the coarse focus to move the objective lens upward until the image is sharp. In class, if the image is not sharp, you can use the final focus to make it sharp. Continue with high power objective lenses for focus means that you can use different objective lenses. Lenses have different powers, so we can use according to our requirements. Okay class, now move on to the next topic, that is the cell structure and organelles. Basically, beta organelles are the workers or the laborers that work for the functioning of the cell. Look at the slide, you can see cells have basic structure. It means that every cell has the same basic structure, but there are 2 to 3 organelles that are present in the plant cell and not present in the animal cell. Likewise, every cell has a round nucleus, and nucleus is the control system of the cell. Next is cytoplasm. Every cell has a jelly-like substance, a fluid that is present in the cell that helps to float the organelles inside the cell. Next organelle is the mitochondria. Mitochondria are present in every cell, both in plant and animal. Mitochondria are round or elongated organelles that help in the respiration inside the cell. The structure that is present in the cell are Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies are the cellular factory and helps in the respiration in the cell. Next one is the chloroplast. Basically, chloroplasts are present in the plant cells. They are not present in animal cells because the main function of chloroplast is to trap sunlight that is needed for the photosynthesis. Next one is the vacuole. Vacuoles are present in both animal and plant cells, but in plant cells vacuoles are large and in animal cells vacuoles are in very small size. In animals they act as storage for nutrients and water. In plant they act as a storage as well as provide internal support to maintain the cell structure. Okay, lastly this is the diagram of plant cell and animal cell. You have to draw and label both these diagrams on your register or notebook. In the next lesson, we will discuss the difference between animal and plant cells. So, this is the home task. Draw and label the diagram of animal and plant cell and learn important points of book page number 2 to 4. And that's all for today class. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.